I'm Dan DeRocha, president of Erika Record Baking Equipment. Today, we're showcasing the Deighton Traymatic. Ideal for wholesale production, it combines the Formatic you already know and love with an innovative panning system that can produce between 3,000 and 6,000 cookies per hour. Using interchangeable drums, it can deposit doughs with or without particulates into a variety of different shapes and thicknesses. This machine excels in depositing and traying larger products, ranging between 2.5 and 4.25 inches in diameter. Let's take a look. To begin, the operator programs the machine using an easy-to-use touchscreen. Dough is then added into the hopper, which can hold up to 45 pounds and features a magnetic safety switch. Next, the baking sheet is loaded onto the machine. Upon pressing the start button, the pan will automatically be positioned underneath the drum, allowing each deposit to fall into the desired drop zone. Once the pan is filled, it is returned to the operator, who can adjust the loading time between each tray. Additional features include automatic wire cleaning, locking casters for enhanced mobility, emergency stops located on each side of the machine, easy-to-clean drums, and a removable hopper. The Traymatic can also be wiped down with a damp cloth. Finally, this machine requires 240-volt single-phase power. If using automatic wire cleaning, you will also need an air connection rated between 60 and 90 psi. To learn more about the Traymatic, please visit erikarecord.com.